Yes, I've been posting for 4 years and still not monetized. It's really all my fault. I'm not blaming YouTube. YouTube is an incredible platform. I'm blaming me for not being consistent. But now I'm working on being consistent, trying to drop a video every day. And I figure if I drop a video every day, maybe the algorithm will say, hey, he's putting in some work. Let's feed him to the people. You know what I'm saying? So this is just an update, guys. I made a video before saying that I've been on here for 4 years, still not monetized. Kind of like giving my backstory, where I came from, why I'm not monetized. So if you want to go check out that video, just click at the top of this video and go check it out. Or just check out my page. You will see the video where it says I've been posting for 4 years and still not monetized. So I'm going to give you guys an update. So guys that saw that video, it was on like 50 people. But if you return, I'm getting a little traction. This video right here is getting some views. I'm up to over 200 something views. So they kind of like that type of video. So you know what that means. I'm going to double down and make another video similar to that. Since I got some traction going on, let me make another video and get some traction on that. And maybe sooner or later, I will get that 4,000 watch hours. I already have over 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate that. But it's the 4,000 watch hours that's hard. So once I get that, apply for the partnership with YouTube, and bingo, I'm in there. I'm in the door. But I'm gonna keep going. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna keep going. And my videos are not gonna just be about this, guys. I might give you an update every week. You know, if you want to know what, what's going on my channel, I might give a video every week. You want to come check me out and join my journey on getting monetized and beyond, feel free to subscribe right now. Follow my journey. Also, when you subscribe, you're going to get this: tips, tricks, and all type of information on how to manifest anything in your life. I have several videos on here where I tell stories of techniques that I use to manifest money within 5 days. Manifest a car within days. I manifest a text that I wanted from somebody. Yeah, I manifest a message from Erykah Badu. If y'all don't know who Erykah Badu is, back in the 90s and 2000s, early 2000s, she was a big time singer, neo soul singer, and I just loved her. I mean, I went to one of her concerts and I wanted to meet her so bad, and she DM'd me on Instagram, and she said she liked my name and that she coined the phrase. My name, guys, is Woke Reg, but I call this channel Reg the Manifester because I talk about all about manifestation. But I have another channel called Woke Reg. It's not monetized either. It has like some strikes on there, so I don't want to lose that channel. So I say I'm not going to even post on there no more. They talking about I didn't post original content on there. You know, that's okay, YouTube. And, you know, if I violated you guys' terms, I understand. But I'm going to keep that channel going. But over there, my name is Woke Reg. But on this channel, I want to change my name from Woke Reg to Reg the Manifester, because that's all I talk about on here. I love talking about manifestation. So Guys, I know that I'm going to manifest this channel getting monetized, and I know that I'm going to manifest 5,000 subscribers. And once I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward 3 people some free money on this channel. So it'd be beneficial for you to subscribe, because you may win the prize that I'm going to give out once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Now, I don't know when I'm going to reach 5,000 subscribers, but in here in my mind, I'm already there. I'm just waiting for it to pop up out here in the external world. So, be part of this journey of me getting monetized and getting the 5,000 subscribers. And once I manifest that, guys, then we're going to manifest 10,000 subscribers. And that's going to probably come easier. The reason being is because I already have proof of concept that 5,000, that's very achievable. So 10,000 should be very achievable too. And I have confidence that not me, but us, this channel, the manifestors on this channel, because you guys are manifestors also, we're going to reach 5,000 and then 10,000, and then sky's the limit after that. 100,000 maybe sometime next year. You never know. But I know it's going to happen, guys. I have confidence and faith in myself. And you should too. If you been, I can't talk right now, but I'm not going to edit this out. If you've been posting for years and still haven't been monetized, or still haven't got that, haven't got that 1,000 subscribers, that 4,000 watch hour to get monetized, don't stop. Don't quit. Keep studying. Keep watching videos like this one for encouragement. Keep watching videos that teach you about the algorithm, that teach you about your thumbnails, your titles, keywords, all that stuff. I've been doing this for over 4 years, and I'm still watching those videos and still trying to understand and learn. And, and I do a lot of tweaking on my videos. I change the thumbnail, change the title. And also, guys, you need to get vidIQ. That's what I have, vidIQ. It's this software that helps you to optimize your videos so they can show up in search, and you'll start getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, because that software is going to help you get noticed on YouTube. So if you want to sign up right now, only costs $1 for 30 days. Click on the link below. It'll take you right to vidIQ.com where you can sign up. And I'm telling you, it has helped my videos start to get some traction. Like I said, the video I showed earlier, because I did a little tweak here and there using vidIQ. Now I got over 200 views on that within a day. So download that software, click the link below, sign up. It's only $1 a day. Well, just pay $1 and it's 30 days free. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you guys an update. We're so close. I'm over, as far as watch time, I'm almost to 3,000 hours of watch time. I'll show it to you right here. So we need to get to 4,000 watch hours. I know I'm going to get there. I'm not going to stop, and don't you stop either. Peace, create, and manifest.